question I get asked a lot about freelancing, and by that I mean a lot, and that is, are Upwork, Fiverr and platforms like this good for sourcing your freelance clients? This is something I've gone to in depth in my book, The Freelancer's Mindset, but if you would rather hear it from me right here, I would say yes and no. Personally, I am not using any of these platforms. I'll get to that in a minute, but if you're wondering why these are good platforms, it's because you get to showcase your portfolio on them, you get to source clients consistently on them, and most importantly, you get to rest easy knowing that you will get your payments on time, because there are payment models where the client has to upload a portion of the money, and whether they approve the project or not on time, you will always get paid the amount on a particular date. So if that's what you're worried about, then you can rest easy. But the reason I don't like Upwork and Fiverr are because you are literally bidding for the lowest amount. A client comes and adds a particular project that they want to work on, and you get all these different bids on it from different creators saying they can do it for this much, this much, this much, they can deliver it by this deadline, they can throw in two other things. It ends up being a quantity game where you're not delivering quality, you're delivering the cheapest bet possible. And another important reason I don't like Upwork and Fiverr are because of the royalty systems, where the platform takes a portion of the fees, which I am not okay with, since I would like to be compensated for the work I do. If these are problems that you also don't like to deal with, I would recommend LinkedIn. LinkedIn is that one platform through which I source almost all of my clients, both inbound and outbound. If you want to learn more about what sort of content you want to post on LinkedIn and how that can help you build your personal brand to source more leads, make sure you comment below personal brand so that I know you're interested in making a video about this next time.